MetaTrader 5 at all. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to use MetaTrader 5. What is MetaTrader 5? MetaTrader 5 is a platform that we use to log in with our broker's account, and then we log in with our username and password so that we can access the forex market. And then it's a platform that we use to trade in the forex market. That is a platform that contains a lot of buying and selling and different strategies and all the shapes. So if you want a tutorial of how to use a MetaTrader 5, this video is for you. Please watch it until the end. Okay guys, now I'm going to open my platform, right? Okay guys, as you can see here, okay, let me open the 4-hour chart for the daily. The red candles that are going down, they represent a selling chart or a bearish chart. I mean a bearish movement. And then the ones going up, they represent a bullish market, right? Sharp. And then here we have our navigation path. This is the chart, this is the trade. Where you have placed the trade, this is where you monitor them. And then this is the history, and then this is the messages, right? So I'm gonna start with the first one here, the tools. This is where you manage all your different instruments. So this is the first one here. As you can see, we have the volatility, the crypto, you see. But mostly people, they start with the forex, right? So this is where you find our forex. APK, ABNZT. So me, I want GBP USD. So if I can't find it, I can just come here on search and search GBP USD. Okay, so if I search and I don't find it, it means it is already there. Okay, so in order for me to add the instrument that I want, I just click it and then it automatically goes there. You see, I click it and here is it. Let me add another one. Let me add one of the energies. Let me add natural gas, right? I click it and then you see it. Here is the natural gas, you see. So if I want to remove it, I press here on this pointing pen sign. I press and then let me say for natural gas. I press this, the dustbin or the dump or the delete, and then I select the instrument that I wanna remove. Let me remove GBP, use the GPY and natural gas. Remove. And then if maybe I wanted to remove all of them, I was gonna press the dustbin and press the thing, it was gonna select all of them. But no, I don't wanna remove all of them. Sharp. And then what is happening here? This is just the name and the percentage. This is not like really important, but what you just have to know is blue represent going up or buying, and then red represent going down, selling, right? And then here we have our bid price and our ask price. Between the two, there's a bid and the ask. The bid is the price we get when buying, and the ask is the price we get when we are selling. Sharp. I think I'm done here, right? I think I'm done with this here. And then here we have a chart. This is our chart window. So here we have the indicators. Here is where you can add different indicators and the different types. So this one will do it next time, but for now let me just go next time with this one. And then here we have our different time frame for 4 hour, 1 hour. You can even select the time frame by selecting this circle. It will show you a time frame from starting from 1 minute until the monthly chart. And then this is where you can set your orders, like sell limit, your buy stop, sell stop. This one we call it the fast trade. This way you can just press and then you trade fast, you enter your positions fast. And then here we have our balance, our equity and our margin. This is just a sign to show that we are trading live, and this is where you execute your market orders. You see, you can put your stop loss and your take profit. And then this is the history where you will be monitoring your trades. So yeah, and then when you press here, you press settings. This is where maybe you can change, you can do different settings like advanced mode. It is that one of showing a lot of things, security, lock screen. Yeah, there isn't much here. And then when you go here, it's just a random message warning from your broker or from the trading platform. And then the rest, yeah, it's simply just come here and you practice. So next time we're gonna do different orders, but yeah, I think it's everything we want is here. You see, because when you want to open your first order, you can just come here and you press buy. When you press buy, it's gonna appear here. It's gonna tell you to buy, and when you press sell, it's gonna open an order here, meaning you're gonna make profit when the market is going down. And when you press buy, it's gonna make the profit when the market is going up. Otherwise, guys, this is pretty much about the MetaTrader 5. I think I've covered all the basics, so next time I'm gonna be documenting my journey. Otherwise, thank you, like, share and follow for more.